So one of the promise of AI in learning and development is that it can provide one-on-one attention. If you have a doubt, you can ask right away. It can personalize the courses for you. But it lacks a lot of tools that human coaches and teacher has. If you ask a teacher today, they can use a whiteboard, they can put down things on a card, they can read your notebook. And all of this is missing in the AI agents today. And that's what now we have enabled with Tufton AI.
Hello, I'm your system design instructor, here to guide you through the complexities of web technologies with clear explanations and visual diagrams. Let's dive into how things work behind the scenes on the internet.
That sounds good. Can you draw me a diagram to explain what happens when we type google.com in browser?
Absolutely. Let's visualize the journey of typing google.com in your browser. First, I'll generate a diagram outlining
to me. Now, can you zone in on the DNS part and draw a diagram on explaining me that piece in details?
Okay, let's zoom in on the DNS resolution process.
This is good, but
I'll create a detailed diagram.
Can you make this diagram vertical so that it's easier for me to read?
You got it. My apologies. It seems there was an issue rendering the diagram in the previous attempt. I will correct that now, recreating the DNS resolution diagram in a vertical layout for improved readability. Okay, I've re-rendered the DNS resolution diagram in a vertical format. This should make it easier to follow the flow from the initial browser request down to the retrieval of the IP address. Can you see it clearly now?
This looks pretty great. Now, can you put down what, the first step here, which is DNS, in a form of card so that it's easy for me to refer?
Yes, I can create a card summarizing the DNS resolution process for easy reference. I'll condense the key steps into a concise format.
No, this is great. Now, can you ask me a
Fantastic.
multiple choice question on this DNS step?
Of course. Here's a multiple choice question about the DNS resolution process. Okay, the multiple choice question is now displayed. Please take your time to consider the choices and let me know your answer. Let me know what choice you pick.
I think root.
Root. Ah, it looks like you selected root DNS server. That's a common misconception. In reality, the first server queried in the DNS resolution process is typically the ISP DNS server. The ISP DNS server then may query the root DNS server if it doesn't have the answer in its cache. Would you like me to elaborate more on this or any other aspect of DNS resolution?
No, this is great. Now, can you open a whiteboard so that I can draw and ask you questions about it?
Definitely. I've opened a whiteboard for you to draw and ask questions. Feel free to sketch out your thoughts, and I'll do my best to assist. The whiteboard is now visible. Whenever you're ready, you can start drawing and let me know when you want me to take a look. I'm here to help clarify any questions you have. Go ahead and draw and ping me when you are ready. Okay, I have the updated whiteboard image now. It shows a vertical stack of boxes labeled user, browser, and router. Do you have a question?
Now, can you open a PDF tool where I can upload a PDF that you can analyze and let me know that what architecture it represents?
Okay, I've enabled the PDF upload tool. You can now upload your PDF, and I'll do my best to analyze the architecture it represents. The PDF upload interface is now visible. Please upload.
Thank you so much. This is the example of sort of capabilities now the agent has, which is really powerful. If you want to understand a complex concept, learn new language, whether real life language like Korean, German, or languages like Java and other, all of these concepts and all agent will be really powerful to explain and work with. Thank you so much.